Good morning, everyone. Today we are moving on to complex sentences, the next step in our mentor text study. Started with simple sentences, moved on to compound sentences, bringing two simple sentences together. Today we're going to stretch our ideas even more with complex sentences. So I'm going to read the whole passage and then I'm going to zoom into a couple of these sentences. Rap was born in '73 in New York City at a house party. DJs mixed beats for dancing crowds, speakers thumped and the bass was loud. DJ's friends would make up rhymes, telling stories line by line. The rhymers were the first MCs. No one had ever heard songs like these. Then came the great Grandmaster Flash, who taught us how to mix and scratch. '80s rap came to stay, and Run DMC walked this way. This new sound spread so far and wide, no one could stop it, but people tried. Rap is for the people, just like from the start. It's more than music, it's a work of heart. Now let's look and see. A complex sentence combines an independent sentence or clause, like rap was born in '73, with a dependent clause, which means a phrase that can't stand alone, like in New York City at a house party. They're put there to stretch the sentence, the great idea about rap and where it was born. They can also stretch even longer. DJs mix beats for dancing crowds, an independent sentence, push in a detail that can't stand alone, speakers thumped, and let's connect another independent sentence. The bass was loud. And if you want to get real fancy, you can use a semicolon. The rhymers were the first MCs. No one had ever heard songs like these. A semicolon brings together two independent sentences. But why stand alone when you can have a friend that stretches that idea in the passage? So today, when you write about something you know really well, think about how you can write some complex sentences. Start with an independent sentence. Use a comma to add an added dependent clause. Or maybe bring two full sentences, independent sentences, together with a semicolon. And in between, you might want to add some compound sentences like we learned yesterday. Those are in purple. Because remember, varying those sentence lengths really adds some great rhythm to your writing. Just like those MCs. Happy writing!